The Water Cycle by Kate. The diagram below shows a model of the water cycle. The arrows show the movement of water molecules through the water cycle. The circled numbers represent the processes that occur as the water molecules reach the different stages of the water cycle. 1, as you can see, is water vapor coming from the ocean. That is known as evaporation. So therefore, number 1 is evaporation. Number 2, this is water vapor moving from the mountains and plants into the atmosphere. That is called transpiration. A good way to remember that is tree sweat. Number 3 is the formation of a cloud, which is condensation. Number 4 is the process of rain coming down onto the plants and mountains, which is known as precipitation, which is a very common term. 5 is the water going down the mountain into the ocean. That is called runoff, because the water is running off the ocean and running off the mountains into the ocean. Number 6 is infiltration, because infiltration also means to go into the ground. So that's how you would do a question like that. Okay. The arrows in the block diagram below show the movement of water after it has fallen precipitation. Which arrow indicates the process of transpiration? Well, 1 cannot be transpiration because it has nothing to do with trees or plants. 3 doesn't have to do with plants or trees, and neither does 4. So 2, like I told you before, tree sweat, is the process of trees and plants letting off water vapor into the atmosphere. So therefore, the answer is 4. Okay. Next question. This is pretty much a review of what we just went over. Which table correctly matches each letter with the process that it represents? A will be condensation, because that's the formation of a cloud. B is the process of water coming down from a cloud, which is also known as precipitation. C is evaporation, because remember, the water vapor is coming out of the large body of water. And D is tree sweat, known as transpiration, as we went over. So therefore, the answer would be 4.